How to sign into YouTube TV. Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to sign into YouTube TV. Whether you're new to the platform or reconnecting after some time away, signing in is the first step to accessing this service's vast offerings. In this video, we'll walk you through each step to ensure a smooth sign-in process, regardless of your device. To begin, ensure you have an active YouTube TV subscription. If not, head over to the YouTube TV website to create an account and choose your subscription plan. You'll need a Google account to get started, as YouTube TV uses it for authentication and personalization. Your Google account keeps track of your subscriptions, watch history, and preferences across all YouTube platforms. Once your account is ready, gather the device you will be using to access YouTube TV. YouTube TV is compatible with several devices, including smart TVs, set-top boxes, streaming devices like Roku, Apple TV, Chromecast, gaming consoles, mobile devices, and web browsers. Each has slightly different interfaces, but the core steps remain similar. Let's start with signing in on a web browser. Open your browser and navigate to tv.youtube.com. You'll be greeted with the main page, prompting you to sign in. Look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to proceed. You'll be redirected to a Google sign-in page where you need to enter your Google account credentials. Input your email address and click Next. Then, type in your password and proceed. If you've set up two-factor authentication, you'll receive a prompt to verify your identity using a code sent to your phone or email. This added security layer keeps your account safe from unauthorized access. After correctly entering your sign-in details, you'll be logged into your YouTube TV account, where the home page will populate with live TV suggestions, your recorded shows, and personal recommendations. Next, let's look at signing in via the YouTube TV app on a smart TV or streaming device. First, ensure your device is connected to the internet. Open the YouTube TV app, which you can download from your TV's app store if it's not pre-installed. Once opened, you should see a welcome screen with a prompt to sign in. Here, you'll have the option to sign in directly on the device or use an activation code. The activation code method is particularly useful for devices without keyboards or touchscreen functionality. You'll see an option like Sign in with a web browser alongside an activation code. Note this code down or keep the screen visible. On your computer or mobile browser, visit youtube.com/activate. Make sure this browser is already signed into your Google account. Enter the activation code shown on your TV screen into the appropriate field and follow any additional on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. If using a device like Roku or Apple TV, the general steps remain similar. Open the YouTube TV app, follow the prompts for signing in, and use the browser activation method if presented with a code. This ensures your device is linked correctly to your Google account. For mobile devices, the process is straightforward. Simply open the YouTube TV app, which you can download from the Apple App Store for iOS devices or Google Play Store for Android devices. Open the app and log in with your Google account directly. You might encounter prompts for permission to access your device's location data, which helps YouTube TV provide you with regional channels and content. Approve these prompts for a full experience tailored to your region. If you encounter any issues during sign-in, such as forgotten passwords or problems with two-factor authentication, YouTube TV provides clear troubleshooting options. For password recovery, visit the Google Account Recovery page. If two-factor authentication is problematic, ensure your secondary methods, like backup codes or linked devices, are accessible and updated. Signing into YouTube TV provides access not only to traditional live TV channels, but also a wide array of on-demand content, cloud DVR features, and personalized recommendations across devices. With a properly set-up account, you can enjoy seamless transitions from one device to another, making it easier to start watching on your phone and continue on your TV without missing a moment. The sign-in process ensures that your viewing history, preferences, and settings are preserved, allowing for an uninterrupted and personalized watching experience. This unified approach across all YouTube platforms creates a cohesive environment where your tastes and interests drive the content you receive. We've covered signing into YouTube TV on various devices, highlighting the importance of an active Google account and addressing any potential issues you might face. By now, you should feel comfortable accessing your account from any device at home, ensuring you never miss out on your favorite shows or live events. If you found this guide helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. We offer more tutorials and tips that improve your streaming experiences. Thank you for watching and enjoy seamless viewing with YouTube TV. How to rearrange channels in YouTube TV. Welcome to a detailed guide on how to rearrange channels in YouTube TV, designed to help you tailor your viewing experience. With this comprehensive walkthrough, we aim to make your YouTube TV even more user-friendly and suited to your preferences. Begin by ensuring you're logged into your YouTube TV account. If you're using a computer, open your web browser and visit tv.youtube.com. For those using a mobile device, launch the YouTube TV app. Either way, make sure you're signed in with the account linked to your YouTube TV subscription. Once logged in, navigate to the main interface of YouTube TV. You'll find a variety of menu options, where you should look for your account profile icon, typically located at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several account management options. Select Settings from this menu to navigate to the hub, where you can manage various elements of your YouTube TV experience. The Settings area is where you can tweak everything from parental controls to streaming quality preferences. Inside the settings, locate the Live Guide option. This section is key for rearranging your channel lineup. Accessing the Live Guide allows you to view all the channels included in your subscription. The Live Guide displays your channels in a list format, showing the names you're accustomed to seeing on your traditional TV guide. Upon first glance, this might just appear to be your typical channel lineup, but this page actually allows you to fully customize the order of these channels. To adjust the channel order, find the 3 horizontal lines next to each channel name, commonly known as the hamburger icon. This icon denotes that the channel item can be moved. Click and hold the icon while dragging the channel to your desired position on the list. This functionality is especially helpful for organizing your channels by interest or frequency of use. Sports enthusiasts might place ESPN and similar networks at the top. Fans of on-demand shows and series might opt for keeping those related channels easily accessible in their top 5. Once you've rearranged the channels to your satisfaction, anything you change here will be automatically saved. This means no additional confirmation clicks are needed. Your channel list will now appear in this new sequence every time you view your guide. If you're rearranging channels on a smart TV or using a streaming device, the process might work slightly differently. Access your YouTube TV app and find the section for the channel Guide. A similar Edit or Customize button should be available, allowing you to reposition channels as needed. The tactile satisfaction of reorganizing via a remote or touchscreen interface is convenient and user-friendly. Reordering channels is a non-permanent change. You can return to this menu as often as you like to adjust the list, which is great if your viewing habits evolve or if multiple people with different tastes share your YouTube TV account. Each user can personalize their profile's channel lineup to fit their needs. Rearranging your channel lineup doesn't change your subscription. It only alters the order for viewing ease. This flexibility makes it easy to streamline your setup, helping you find what you're looking for quickly without scrolling through less frequently used channels. Moreover, customizing your TV channel guide can save significant time, particularly on busy evenings or weekends when you're seeking a specific program or sporting event. Everything you regularly watch can be prioritized, leading to a smoother navigation experience. Consider setting themes for your channels. For example, organize by categories like news, sports, entertainment, and kids, or even set up different styles of guides, one for weekdays and another for weekends. Such arrangements can help keep everything in order as per the context of your viewing conditions and family dynamics. Getting comfortable with the settings and customization features that platforms like YouTube TV offer enhances utility and control over your viewing habits. It's an easy way to make sure that your television does what it does best: entertaining you and your family with minimal hassle. Lastly, this seamless rearrangement feature demonstrates how online TV services have evolved to offer more than just content. They offer a complete, personalized viewing experience adapted to your preferences. As streaming services continue to evolve, more features are likely to be added, further enhancing user control. We hope the guide has empowered you with the knowledge to efficiently customize your YouTube TV channel lineup to better suit your family's watching experience. If you appreciated this guide, please give our video a like and consider subscribing to our channel for additional tips and tutorials designed to improve your streaming experience. Thanks for watching and enjoy your personalized YouTube TV experience.